every possible way. De, practice lang. So, yun na nga. So, wala pa akong naisip na content for this month. So, eto muna. So, due to my anxiety attacks, gaya ng dati, humingi kasi ako ng paumanhin sa inyo na hindi ako tuloy na pag-update sa inyo while watching them on TV. Kadadasal ko lang, make sure to be faithful. And gaya ng dati, i-meet me in every weekends para yun na nga, for the content. This time, I record my own video for this. Last video vlog ko means pumunta kami ng Cavite for Marian Pilgrimage. So, I have enjoyed. Pinayagan na rin lang ako lumabas kung kailan wala na akong parents of this year. So, grabe naman 2024. I beat it myself to be lonely but sad, but I make it sure kung saan man lang kayo naroon, ako na, I will do my best. But also, thanks for the tender, loving care, and lots of memories na nakasama ko kayo, hindi lahat ng oras. So, thanks for the everything. Almost magto 2 years na akong maging YouTuber, saka pa ako mag-give up due to my weaknesses. No way. So, nag-iisip pa lang ako ng content. Hindi naman ako mag-quit. Basta may nakalaan na topic. So, hindi ko kasi kayo matanong kung may isasuggest kayo kung anong plano ko, kung anong content na or topic na gusto nyo pag-usapan. So, it's up to them. So, ako nang bahala. So, hindi ko kayo masagot. So, thank you for the support at nag-follow due to lack of numbers of my subscription. I record this for at least 3 minutes. So, saka pa ako mag-give up.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell is the key. Don't skip us for the continuous triple and pesos. So, magkita-kita pa naman tayo for the next content. So, hey, it's me, Gina. Hindi pa naman ako magsa-signing off. So, magkita tayo sooner. See you soon.